Yo, greetings to the family. Moment of truth and natural wisdom. Yeah. People are asking about the match predictions. So Ghana, I was just saving the guys some money because I realized most guys were going to bet. And they're gonna bet in favor of Ghana. Because now my motivation was slow. Omaya very, very motivated to the extent say Omanya GDA Sibia Ghana players Bifra Bruchrabano. They have been motivated enough to go in for Ghana. That is why I brought those analysis. For the beauty of the game, I am not supposed to bring you the exact scorelines and stuff. Said Yabaya and Crofobiti, a baby, or other things being equal, the game may be interesting. Me say no, a match and enwa, man, me follow scoreline or live score. Na me and baby cry. What you say? Me follow because him outcome no. What you say? And I can always go back and see exactly what happened. Me follow scoreline. Once a live score app, there is an app called live score. If it's on your phone, mama commentary, who follow commentary. What you say? Yeah. Listen. Football is game, it's fun. But emanim riawa koma. And if you begin to understand the game, that is when you don't necessarily give all your time and your attention to you enjoy the game. Once you understand any game that you understand, you enjoy. But necessarily it doesn't consume all your time. That is what I was trying to tell you guys. But I realized more people, all the guys, because they were calling me, I knew they were ready to waste a lot of money. And we live in a very tough worldwide economy right now. So I was just trying to save them some money. And until now, almost analysis. So they be badrin ba. People calling me after the match, Evangelist saying, "I will see you in Sikapa, bet for the Wakran." Wow, I will see you in Sikapa, and I'm so because they said even the penalty shows say, I don't know, whatever is written is written. Even the penalty, yeah, Ghana did a very good against, but they did, yeah, they will always do good. They will always gonna do good. World Cup match they will always do good. But doing good is not the end result. The end result is the scoreline and the 3 points. How do you say it? Now, I've seen Hokademenko. Now, people also asking me, I posted a picture of a gun. What you say? This is just a one-shot gun. I have more powerful guns. I know how to build a gun. Because in the United States here, you basically have to go through some background checks and you gotta have a clean records to be able to hold your gun. We don't give guns to anybody else in the United States. You gotta be sound mind. You gotta prove something. You gotta prove to be safe in good health and mental conditions before you're going to be able to have access to a powerful gun. Some people own guns illegally, but me, I try to follow all the rules. So I have a gun all the time with me. I have one in my car. All the time that I am driving, I have a gun in my car. What you say? I have a gun in my house. In fact, anywhere that I am, within some circumference, there should be a gun around that I can use when I need it. That is how I have built. You know, United States is the most powerful country in the world. United States is powerful because of ammunitions, because of the military. And what does the military do? Military is taking care of all those stuff. Bombs here and there, guns, fighter jets. United States is powerful because of ammunitions through the military. That is why United States will forever remain the most powerful country in the world. You see what I'm trying to say? In order to be, so as a citizen of the United States, and I am learning from the United States, I follow the 4 steps. United States is the bigger picture. United States is the bigger picture. Me as an individual in the United States, learning from the bigger picture means that I have to also be powerful in my house. I have to also be powerful and get whatever I want. You see what I'm saying? I have to be powerful wherever I am. I have to be powerful and get whatever I want. In order to do that, first of all, I gotta work hard. In the United States, people work hard. You gotta work hard in the United States. I'm sure we do the same in Africa. When I was there, I saw it. Now, but one thing that Africans lack is the freedom of, most people don't have guns. There were a few of us who knew how to build guns and stuff because we visited the blacksmiths and we have blacksmiths make guns and stuff in Ghana. So we had the opportunity to learn from the blacksmiths. But not everybody is able to afford a gun. Even the magazine made guns. Not everybody is able to afford. You will be an team afford magazine for ya Ghana. What you say? Enunti o America me say smart ropa. America ha almost will be a with you in fee. What you say? You protect yourself. You don't know when you're gonna need the gun. There are instances, and you were not ready. Armed robbery cases is less in the United States because everybody has a gun. Most people, not everybody per se, but most people have guns in their cars and in their houses. So to go to somebody's house to rob them, no, it is negligible cases in the United States. What do you say? Me will feel now bad. I mean, because if I am in my house, I know wherever, I know a lot of things. Minimum area no muchel. Nti ukutatu na minsu kutatu na ba. Metumi ayi wa free ho quick. What you say? And utua area powerful. Yeah. That is so I was not ashamed posting pictures of guns here and there. No? I don't live fake life. I live life as it is. Yes. I live life as it is. Ade Korea versus Ghana predictions. I already shave my hair. So when I shave my hair, I don't do predictions. What you say? Like that day, I was just trying to save you some money because my boys nanka mo be chebe te rough. Mu wi amolu su be te ni aka kire mo say Ghana dey na that one ball pa. There were teamwork. It's not about the teamwork. It's about your money that is gone. And you will never get it back again unless you work and you replace that lost energy. Your money is also considered your energy. You lose that energy just like that. Yeah, until I was just giving you guys. Tina me bo modern shegula no so be brema mo. So de be ya be brena because lie be na bet woman me also be ano. Me share some message ne to so. Me hu say china lie ne be bre so yidin. Yes, I give you intimate me jina ha me kan one score line. Me ma analysis. Me ni pa bia. Me ma all the options in life so that you see it, you know what it is. And it is easy for you to run away from troubles. That is how me trade. What you say? But those of you calling me about guns, people said a police can arrest me because I have a gun in my house. That is never true. Police is none of the business. Police has no business arresting somebody because they posted a picture of a gun. On this gun that I even posted is not even that powerful. I have powerful guns. This is just one round. So you just load it in as you go. But I have powerful guns. Yeah, I have powerful than that. I have couple of rounds. Yes, just need a gun. The United States is the most powerful country because if America needs something right now, they just pick it. They just go wherever They just go wherever it is and they pick it up. If America want to go to Afghanistan, they just go there and they pick whatever they want. If the United States wants to do this, they just get up and do it. You should be in the position of being able to do whatever you want to do and get whatever you want to get. What you say? And owning a gun. The Constitution of the United States does not prevent you from owning a gun. Just that you need to follow some legal or meet some legal requirements before you can own a gun in the United States. But in Ghana, you can just build it yourself. You can just pretty much own your gun any day, any time, anywhere. Why is here? Yes. I love you all. Yeah. Football na fun. But for akuma ma ball bebree saa. And as a ball, and I watch some crowfoot say can pay be woo or Ghana. Yeah, what the makoma ma or no magic raining bonus, no months more or ma coolus, no ma people suppose to Facebook. Never give up, never do this. We have more chance. I don't buy that idea. What you say? I was just trying to save your heart. Because me who said money brepa some better pa. What you second match in the end, yes, sir. And go for one chebete, sir. Oh, you say, yeah. And okay, in Cametro, baby, who score line of crap. England in the USA, no. Match and Cametro, baby, about the here. My game never fair. Many probably no who score line and your nice. Cametro, baby, who be whom, yeah. Ghanaian guy missed the chance last episode. And yeah, you may say, if it is not written, it is not written. Whatever is written is written. Inti go bi hokwe dani ebehye. Play bo ho beka woni net obebobo na fa baso. Enye ayi. If it is written, it is and I make say octopus edensu or predictive match. So octopus edensu mo predictive match. Na nte se me di fufu. Say octopus nipa na pagya ne de no kwato wi nim say onko da color no so country ne color so emfa nko predictive match. Say me kwa me ada me di fufu ade na me nji predictive match. Say I love you all. Yeah. Until we chew dear people. Everybody should military protect your countries with gun. And you are in the country and you cannot also protect yourself with a gun. It doesn't make sense. Military protect soldier ni ana usuru. Soldier ni bi kra wo nche uniform no. Na no abo shake kakra. Because why? Anytime you betimi akwatwetwa be your action. Onso petu. Na ma hu ni hu. Nkrofo ntieti afa hu di so de ope. E na wo ye. O kasa ebem. O sha ejina. What you say? Yeah. We need to okay. Never give up. I am prophecy. Days ahead. I will hit. You will hit. Example, I mean, it was tea time. I love you all.